Griffin Hardy in for Ashley tonight, watching a sunny day, but some rain coming back. Is that right?
Yes, it'll be coming back later in the week, and as of right now, the rain appears to be happening all around us. Down along the Gulf Coast and over in the Atlantic coast, there's showers and storms happening all around us, but still pretty dry here. It's been dry ever since the start of Labor Day weekend back on Friday. We've seen nothing but sunshine here in Birmingham with no measurable rainfall. We're still pretty quiet out there now, but meanwhile out west, the weather's just going absolutely nuts. We had a snowstorm that just moved into Colorado, still putting down some snowfall up in the Rocky Mountains. The big thing, though, is just how fast these temperatures have changed. Down 39 degrees since this time yesterday in Salt Lake City, 55-degree temperature change just in the past 24 hours. Well off the scale with this big time cold air mass that's dipped down into the western half of the U.S., but it's just incredible how quickly the weather has changed, and we still have even more to talk about in the tropics. Now, I will preface this by saying none of these systems will impact the United States in a significant way anytime soon, which is some good news, but it's still very active in the Atlantic Basin. We'll start with the tropical wave that is closest to home, this little tropical wave that is basically halfway between Bermuda and the Bahamas. It's got a 40% chance of development, and it's likely to drift northwestward towards the Carolinas over the next couple days, but not really likely to strengthen into anything significant beyond, let's say, possibly a tropical storm. Not likely to do anything more than just that. Then we've got another tropical wave that's way farther out there that's about to come off the coast of Africa, and as soon as it likely enters the Atlantic, it's potentially going to become our next tropical storm with a 70% chance of development. Then we've got Tropical Storm Rene, which is not very impressive on satellite imagery with winds of only 40 miles per hour, and then Tropical Storm Paulette, the 16th named storm of the season. This looks a little bit better in satellite imagery, winds of 65 miles per hour, and here are the forecast tracks from the National Hurricane Center. Likely they're going to be lifting up to the north, up into the open waters, and again, not going to be impacting our weather in any way anytime soon, but it's still worth noting that we're getting closer to that peak of hurricane season. Meanwhile, back here at home, pretty quiet overnight tonight. What we will see tomorrow is a little bit more cloud cover with these winds prevailing out of the east. Maybe a sprinkle here and there, but not really expecting anything measurable with the rainfall for tomorrow. I think that changes going into Thursday, though. Looks like we'll have better coverage of afternoon showers and storms starting on Thursday. So I'm going to bump the rain chance up from 10% tomorrow up to 30% for Thursday. Then it gets steadily higher as we go into the weekend. Here's your 7-day forecast. Showers turning likely on Friday with the wetter weather pattern coming in. Those winds prevailing out of the east. Not bringing moisture from the Gulf, but bringing it from the Atlantic because of those winds prevailing out of the east. Rest of the 7-day forecast this weekend looking pretty wet, unfortunately. Scattered storms back in the forecast, basically flipping back to summer mode with that tropical moisture coming in, 60% chance on Saturday and Sunday.